Well, it's an interesting question, the can't go wrong scenario of, let's use as an example a popular suburb of Bondi, 2026 postcode. People quite often think, well, if you're buying in an area that's popular, you can't go wrong. So what we look at is drilling down a little bit into some of the investment fundamentals and the key drivers within a particular suburb. And using Bondi as an example, we can separate that out into three separate sub-markets. So, for example, the beachfront all the way through to the north, such as Hastings Parade and Ben Buckler, very popular area, fully priced, of course. Those particular areas, the rental yields, the price points are very strong. What we're finding there is that's probably one of the most in-demand pockets within Bondi. Coming back a little further west of the main beachfront into streets such as Hall Street, Roscoe, Caluis, those sorts of areas, there's fewer blocks of units. There's more freestanding dwellings and semis, townhouses. In that pocket there, equally desirable, but it's just the performance over the last 10 to 12 years has not been quite as high as, say, the beachfront and Hastings, Ben Buckler, North Bondi. Come further back up west and up into the areas just off Bondi Road, Ocean, Flood, Penkerville Street, very high distribution of high-density unit strata dwelling, a lot of tenants, a lot of short-term holiday rentals, a lot of backpackers, so high turnaround, quite noisy. And in that area there, relative to the beachfront, the performance over the last 10 to 12 years has been significantly softer. So for the person who says, I want to buy Bondi, my friend bought in Bondi and did quite well, depending on where you buy in Bondi becomes the question. And just because you are buying within that suburb doesn't necessarily equate to strong performance over time.